Hey guys, it's Dan from DK Tuning, and thank you for joining us for our episode 4 now. We're certainly starting to get through these pretty quickly. So episode 4, I suppose what that's going to bring, we're going to be fitting the gloss carbon air intake. So we'll be fitting that, and we have also got a few other little bits and bobs to be fitting today. We may fit them today, might fit them in a few days time, so that might be part of episode 5 as well, because we are running out of time today now, with the weather being as good as it is, as you can see outside. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to be fitting the Forge gloss intake system, which is absolutely incredible. You can see the photos and the quality that they use is absolutely incredible. So please go and check out Forge Mototrsport. We're the dealer for them in the West Midlands and also at our Nottingham branch, and their quality and the things that they produce is absolutely second to none, and we absolutely love their products. So big up to Forge there. You'll also be able to get the intake in the link below, so if you wanted to buy it, we do international shipping as well on that. So just let us know if you want that and we can buy it. So the gloss intake also comes with intake elbow. We've also got the turbo elbow at the end of the intake pipe, and that is one of the biggest modifications you can do to your intake. The intake elbow on the Golf R platform and the S3 platform obviously is the same, is very, very weak and notoriously weak, so we'll be upgrading that as well. So the intake system is going to get completely changed today. It's going to look better, it's going to sound better, it's going to perform better. From just sort of fitting the induction kit, Forge reckon up to sort of 12-13 horsepower with the stage 1 software as well. So it'll be interesting to see the difference in the power by just adding that as well. So we're really looking forward to it. It's a cold air feed, so it sucks in all the cold air. So when we're obviously tuning to get power, our equation is air plus fuel equals power. So the more air we can get into the engine, the more power we can produce. So we're really looking forward to continuing our little project. We've got the intercooler to fit next week, we've got the downpiper to fit then after that, some more mapping. So episode 5 and 6 is going to be really cool, and we'll start making some loud noises with the car. So thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Please remember to like and obviously follow us on our social media pages in the description below. And thanks ever so much for watching. We'll catch you soon for episode 5. Bye.